The Advanced Imaging Society's Awards Committee has selected this year's honorees for distinguished achievement in entertainment technology. The winners were selected for demonstrating both innovation and impact in driving the industry forward through an incredibly challenging year. A Lumiere for Technology is presented to PacketFabric for connected media and entertainment. Here's what our awards leadership wrote about this winner. PacketFabric's connected media and entertainment product is a private fabric designed specifically for on-demand, high-capacity transfer with the ability to switch seamlessly between providers for a fully cloud-based production pipeline. Connected through over 170 data centers worldwide, the network is changing the game for visual effects and distribution in traditional and virtual production and broadcast. A technology Lumiere goes to PacketFabric for its connected media and entertainment infrastructure. And here to talk about it and accept the award are CEO Dave Ward and Director of Business Development, Media and Entertainment, Lisa Gerber. Welcome, Lisa and Dave, and congratulations. Tell us, hey, here's your Lumiere statuette.
Thank you.
Catch.
So it's on its way. Lisa, tell us about this product.
Well, first, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to AIS. And, I have to say a special thank you to Dave Ward, just for being a technologist with a vision and for cultivating such a smart and grounded team to work with, and for supporting us in M&E so tirelessly. About the product, well, I worked on the film and TV side for a while, and the way that this company really empowers the creative way of working with its service and on-demand network, it's been ahead of the curve, every step of the way, where when it comes to where the industry is headed in regards to the cloud and all of the virtual production that is, becoming more and more robust. And on the networking side itself, it's pretty incredible. And Dave, you're my boss, but I mean it. It's fun to work at PacketFabric, so thank you. And then also just to all the people at PacketFabric who every day support our work in this space, you know who you are. And it's International Women's Month, so I have to say a special shout out to Jezebel Gilmore and Anna Claiborne, our two founders, who, 5 years ago saw a way to disrupt connectivity and have not looked back and have been full steam ahead ever since. Thank you to both of you as well. That's my spiel.
Fantastic. That's terrific. Dave, I had a studio executive yesterday say many of the solutions that we have relied on to get through COVID-19 are becoming so effective and efficient and good that when we come out of whatever it is that we're in, we're likely to be relying on these assets, building out our infrastructure for the future. Talk a little bit about how this solution came to be and what you think its future is.
So what's interesting is that media and entertainment's known a lot about how to do distribution over the internet for a very long time, and frankly, really good at it. And we've got more internet coming with higher speed access and 5G and more bandwidth to more devices. And that's awesome. But what about the need to create and produce that content? And really, I've been partnered with Lisa now for many years, who's taught me everything I know about media and entertainment. And what folks don't know is how much of a techie she really is and how much she loves tech. But look, the key, and as you say, Jim, of what's changed, look, giving the artists access to the most powerful technology of hyperscalar clouds, remote collaboration during production, and VFX, that's here to stay. That's not going anywhere. And so we've worked towards that goal and trying to facilitate full end-to-end post and distribution in the cloud and speeding up the well-known 2030 vision for the industry. And so all of these tools are here to stay. There are more tools to come. We're trying to create that easy button. And so, like Lisa, I've got a lot of folks to thank, but I'd like to thank folks in the media and entertainment industry and the creatives out there, particularly the studios, artists, producers, VFX companies, software developers, hyperscalers that are working towards the goal to make more content, more artistic, and easier to build through the use of technology that's out there. And it's a great turn to see the industry make, and in particular the production side of media and entertainment. And our goal at PacketFabric is simply to build a bigger and better internet and to be able to do more on it.
Well, the demand on the hundreds of hours of production that is being ordered up by Disney Plus, HBO Max, Netflix, Amazon, and all the traditional platforms of the motion picture studios, the demand for the ability for working teams to efficiently and effectively create and produce, we're being told over the next 2 to 5 years is going to be the most busy period of Hollywood's history. So how does this tool play out well over the next 3 or 4 or 5 years when you're working on so many productions and have teams in so many places?
Really, what I think we're going to see an advancement of what we know today of virtual production, virtual collaboration, as well as the ability to bring that content from remote sites back very, very quickly. We're at just beyond the tip of the spear is shoot to cloud. From there, we know that there's international teams of artists and creatives working together across these different clouds. So the data movement that's necessary is massive. Again, what we're trying to do at PacketFabric is make all of that data movement and the collaboration extremely easy. But in particular, the rise of tools out of hyperscaler clouds, I think, is really going to be a phenomenal change. The tools that are available, the amount of CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage that's available, all of a sudden means that the creatives are really unleashed in the use of their technology and their capabilities of what they can do. So to meet the demand or meet the what's coming at us for the most productive and most creative era in the history of Hollywood and content production, the technology needs to be there to match it. And again, what we're trying to do, make it all easier, get to cloud faster, and just make it extremely easy and simple to use all this new technology and all these new tools. And that's really what we're focusing on.
Well, let me finish by saying I also know Lisa Gerber. She's a member of the AIS family. She is a former employee. We could not be prouder that she is accomplishing what she's doing, the contributions she's making to this industry. We couldn't be prouder that she's a member of our team and a former member of our staff. So congratulations, Lisa Gerber. Congratulations, Dave Ward. Congratulations, PacketFabric, and your Lumiere statuettes on display.